Hi guys, this is Shitu and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing tips and the things that I do to achieve this great looking skin. Mind you, I haven't had my bath yet. Like, I'm literally just waking up. Okay, not just waking up, but I haven't had my bath yet, so I'm going to get straight into it. And the first product I'm going to be using is none other than my turmeric ginger face scrub from Beauty Formulas. I've been using this facial scrub consistently for more than 2 weeks, and I've seen a good amount of changes in my skin, and I can say anything that involves turmeric counts me in. So while I wait for it to marinate into my skin, I'm going to tell you 3 things that I do and I think are necessary for a really good skin. Is number 1, which sounds a little bit cliche, is to drink water and stay hydrated all the time. Another thing is to change your sheets, change your bed sheets, your pillowcases every single week. Like, at least every single week, make sure your sheets, your pillowcases especially, are changed. My all-time favorite skincare product is a DIY turmeric face mask I make myself, and currently I do not have it available because I finished it. Tell you, a turmeric facial mask is the best thing you can get for yourself. The way I do it is I get just turmeric and honey, pure honey, and I mix it together. It doesn't go spoiled, doesn't go bad or anything, and you can use it at least 3 times a week. It works magic. I've been using it consistently for about 4 years now, and my skin has never been the same. So get yourself some turmeric and some honey. So let's go to the body parts, the things I use for my entire body, or none other than my extract bar soap. I've been using this soap for like 2 years now, and it has been amazing to my skin. I use it all the time. This is the only consistent soap I've been using for 2 years. Then I think there is a Nigerian one and a foreign one. I use both, honestly. Both works just fine. So I use this extract bar soap. So another thing I use is my scent eyes. I love scent eyes so much, not just because of the fragrance, of the texture, and it is really. So I've been using this for about 3 years now, and it has contributed a lot to my great skin. Scent eyes body lotion. This Scent eyes body lotion has been, I definitely pair both together. It really smells so good. The aloe vera soothing moisturizer gel, I've just started using this like a month ago. It is a after sun repair, and if you know anything about aloe vera, you know that it's really great for your skin. My main body facial oil, by BioAqua Eye Max. I don't know if you can notice in this video, but I suffer from dark under eye circle, and I use this mostly at night. Honestly, there are not a lot of details in the ingredients when it comes to this facial mask, to this eye mask rather, but I've noticed a really large difference. Let it marinate under my eye, then I apply my Dr. Rachel anti-aging sun cream. I've just started using this sunscreen for about 2 months now, and all I can say is it has been amazing. It doesn't leave any white cast, which is good. But one thing I've noticed that when you apply it close to your eyes, right? Like this under eye, it burns, and I do not like that. But other than that, this sun cream has been amazing. And guasha, so I mainly use this to depuff my face. I'll suggest you search up a tutorial on how to use it. And this for face or a eyebrow lift. Obviously, this one is used for depuffing. As somebody that suffers from dark under eye, I could testify that this actually works, and it circulates blood around the under eye. If you have asymmetrical face, it helps define it to being symmetrical. If you've made it to this part of this video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.